Hi, I'm just going to go through how to manage your website. So this is the front end, and once you've logged in, you go straight into the back end here. Now, the most important thing to do before you make any changes at all, and can't kind of stress this enough really, is to do a snapshot. So a snapshot is it basically backs up the whole site, so that if anything goes wrong, you can kind of quickly undo whatever's gone wrong and revert back to a past snapshot. So if we clicked on this icon here, snapshot, and then snapshot as a side panel there, you see you've got all of these here. So the best thing to do is to do a new snapshot, and so that once that's open, you've got a choice of using a Dropbox or doing a local one. The local one is obviously within the server situation that you've got set up with GoDaddy. Now, because we've already got backups done with the files included, I normally don't include any files. We just want the database, so include all database tables. Best thing to do is to put a date in there. So let me just do November, and then we press save and run. It takes a while to go through, and you can show that and see what's going on. So while that's running, I'll pause, and then we can come back to this later. So once the snapshot's finished, you're kind of safe to then make some changes, because, like I say, if anything goes wrong, you've got the insurance that you've got a backup that you can always sort of upload and go back to a time when you hadn't broken it. So anyway, so the first thing you probably want to change and update are these banners here. So I'll just sort of go into the section that you need to use to change these. Now, the most important thing on the banners is the size. So the size is done in pixels, so it should be 1256 pixels wide by 616 pixels high. I'm just going to the media library just to show you the banners images, and then you can kind of just check on the sizing on there if you forget. The reason why it has to be that size is that if you have a banner that's sort of smaller or larger, it will throw the page out. It'll kind of enlarge and reduce the banner images to try and fit them on there. So this is the one that I think I was clicking on before, and as you can see, that's the size of it. So as I say, use an image editing software and make sure you save it to those sort of sizes. All right. So now the slider is actually in the appearance, and it's down here in under menu here. So sliders. On the side we've got three sliders. One is the home page slider. One is in the menu banner, so that's in the bistro menu. It's the one that sits up there, and essentially this one actually has probably got the same things on there. And then there's another one in the about section, which actually only has one image, and that is the photograph of the building. And there it is. So that isn't essentially, it is a slider, but it's a static slider because there's only one slide. So let's go back to the home page, and I'll just show you through how to make some changes and how to remove banners. So let's go through these things. So that's the home office banners. So click on edit. Okay, we've got all these elements up here, but don't really need to concern yourself over those. So if we want to add a new banner, we click here. That drops that down, and then we click on there, and it's going to take us to the library. So you can either upload an image to the library, which would be this one here, and again remembering the size, 1256 by 616, or you may already have an image in the library that you want to use. So let's, I won't actually save this, but let's use this one here. So this is the Halloween one, which has been recently removed. So if we selected that, we would then, once we've got the image there, we'd click Add Slide, and then we would click Save Slide, and then that would appear. We'll just undo it briefly and then I'll remove it. So we click Save Slide, and now it's in there. And if we can rearrange these so that it now appears as the first slider banner. So I'll have to press Saved on there, and I will then refresh this page. And as you can see, it's now back up there. So I'm just clicking back on this button here, and you'll see. So that was the banner that we've uploaded. Okay, I better remove that quickly. So to remove it, we've gone back in the back end, and I can just basically click that. But I must remember to save, otherwise it won't remove it. And that's basically the banners sorted out.